Hi guys, good afternoon. This is Alvarado once again. The weather today is cloudy and very chilly. Palit po tayo ng timing belt ng Honda Pilot po. Yung timing mark na kasi dati nag-jump to. Ang common problem kasi ito ng mga Honda Pilot is yung tensioner. Yan. Kasi pag ganito dapat alagaan mo, palit ka talaga ng timing belt. Yan, every 70 to 100,000. Yan o, napungil o. They already cut in the round and they have a lot. The belt jump. I hope the bulb is okay. Ito guys, timing yan sa ibaba. Get timing in the bottom. Already timing, everything is good. And this is the new one. Let's see. The water pump is complete. You have a belt. Honda Odyssey. Okay guys. Ayan. Ito yung belt. Pinatol ko na lang kasi para ulitanan eh. Sobra na 100 kapin, magto 200 na 1,000. Okay guys.